Hey guys, Randy from Pro Wash Window Cleaning with a market minute for you. One of the things that we've run into with our business out here in the service industry is that the time factor that you have to get in touch with customers or prospects and close them has gotten much smaller and much smaller. We used to have large windows that we could, deal with people, but it's really a drive-through mentality these days. Everybody wants it fast, fast food, fast everything, and the same thing is true with our marketing efforts with our businesses. So how do we combat that? Well, one of the great ways that I've found is through using my market software that has a postcard marketing feature built into it. Okay, so that means whenever I get in a quote, or a request for a quote, I can send a card out. Whenever I close an invoice, I can send a thank you out. When it's time to serve somebody again, I can send a reminder card. I might can send what we call a baker's dozen or a five around. Some people call it that, where you pick out X number of people on each side of your customer and those across the front that you want to market to immediately upon being in that neighborhood. You might want to just do a street. You might want to do a whole block or a whole subdivision. You might want to pick all the customers in a particular town out of your database. You might want to, I don't know, pick all the customers with the same last name. However you want to do it, you can immediately be on the forefront of your customers or prospects' minds by dropping a really nicely designed custom postcard into their mailbox. And you're going to get immediate penetration into that home, and you're going to be able to either close more sales or re up more sales by doing this. So, hey, check out Markate if you don't know who they are. It's markate.com, market.com. Check them out. They do business your way. You'll be glad you did.